Hey there, I'm Bill. I'm the owner of the Hobby Center on Maryville Road in front of the Maryville Bowling Center. We are running a special event this Family Day, which is a week from now. In it, I am bringing some friends in that are very good modelers, and we're going to put on a one-day hands-on course with any young people that want to learn about the joys of building plastic models. We're going to build a model, and we're going to equip them to grow in the hobby with knowledge they learn from us and things they get to take home from the experience. So starting out, we are going to have this really nifty little, uh, somewhat of an off-road vehicle. Now it does say a snap kit on it, and we found in our experience that using snap kits as educational tools is the way to go because it cuts down on the amount of parts that are involved. But once you add glue to a snap kit, then it's not a snap kit at all now, really, is it? So we're going to build these little Jeeps, and they have all kinds of clear parts, chrome parts. They have stickers. They have all kinds of neat things going on. And this would be a fun thing to prep and glue on its own. But we're going to give you a little added bonus. We probably have a little paint station where we'll have you paint something, to enhance the experience. And we hope to have an airbrush station set up. So some aspect of the kit, we're going to get you to spray paint with an airbrush. So you can try that part too. So we want you to have all the tries during this little course. So we want you to prep, build, glue, hand paint, airbrush. That's most of the things you have to do to build 99% of the models that we sell at the Hobby Center. So for your admission price, you get the kit. You get the glue, a basic starter kit. So we've got the thing to cut the pieces off. We've got tweezers to put parts in. We got a little sander, and we have a fairly safe knife that's good for beginners. Yeah, I know X-Acto knives are cooler and all that, but trust me, this one is better for starters. Less accidents that way. You also get a cutting mat to cut your parts on. So when you build models at home, you're not cutting up your parents' dinner table. So you get all that, plus our guidance and education while you do it. And for coming in and participating, we're going to send you home with a gift card to put towards your next model adventure. So all in all, we feel we've curated a really cool thing here to get young people excited about modeling, and we're excited to do it with you. So by all means, if you can, join us next Monday to try out this course and learn about the exciting world of hobbies. You can sign up right online. We'll put a link to the website so that you can sign up online and pre-register so we know you're coming. That's about all for now. If you have questions, please put your comments below. And don't forget, your first great build starts right here.